morning, guys. Welcome to my day in my life. I'm filming my first day in my life of 2021. But I woke up at like 9 o'clock. It is 9:41. I've been just laying in my bed. So, yeah, but I'm gonna take you through my day. Yeah. I'm not getting up yet. I'm just gonna sit here. Starting off strong. Yeah. I'll get up soon. Actually, I'll get up soon. I'll get up. Let's just get up. Freak it. You know what? We're getting up right now. I'm up. I'm up. I'm up. It's actually a really nice day out today. It's kind of chilly. Oh, I look rough. It's sunny. Ugh. Yeah, look at the skies. Wait a minute. The skies are blue. Okay, I just had to let my dog out. That's all. Now I'm gonna brush my teeth and stuff. Okay, I just brushed my teeth. I'm gonna clean up really quick. I literally have coffee in my room from 2 days ago. Like, why didn't I pick that up? I didn't even drink it. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so I just straightened my room up a little bit, made my bed. She is just so plain right now. Clean this up, clean the floor up. Yep. Come on! Okay, I'm just cleaning this disgusting coffee cup out. I bought this planner like a couple days ago from Marshall's. It says 2021 on it and I haven't written it yet and I feel like I should write in it today. Right? I should grab a pen and I should write in it. Yeah. Why do I write so big? It makes it look so ugly. Ugh. Okay. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Actually, right now, I'm about to edit up myself a little bit of a lock screen for my laptop. We're gonna add some other stuff and make it a little vision board with goals and reminders, and so I can see it, I can attract it. So, yeah. Look what I just got. The sweetest boy ever. Almost done with my... There it is. Yeah. So I'll show you guys on my laptop though when it's done. And then I'm getting ready soon because I need to get ready for the day. Ta-da! How cute is that? I love it. It's so cute. I'm gonna go to the grocery store really quickly to get some food to make for dinner, and then also I want to get cinnamon rolls. Tonight I'm making some pasta with chicken and asparagus, I think. So I'm going to the grocery store right now. I'm not ready yet and I downloaded the footage for my night routine to edit, so I'll do that when I get back home later. And I still have to get ready for the day because I kind of look rough. My eyes, under eyes, so dark all the time. It is what it is though. But yeah, but I wrote a little list on my phone. And yeah, and then when I get back I'll film making some breakfast. Bacon and like cinnamon roll waffles, I guess you could call them, and then I'm gonna make coffee. So okie dokie. Ew, why did I just say that? I just got all the groceries. They're all right here chilling, kind of falling over. I got some snacks that I didn't need, like Oreos, but that's okay. And then I got some strawberries that I didn't need, like wasn't going for, but I was like, these look so beautiful and I need them. So now I'm gonna go home and start making some food. I'm gonna cook the bacon first, because I don't like hot bacon. I don't know about anyone else, but I don't like my bacon to be like hot. I like it room temperature. So yeah. I like carried all the groceries to my car instead of with the cart. Ugh, I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna see you guys when I get home. Okay, so I'm home. I'm kind of talking quietly because he's totally passed out in the other room and I don't want to wake him up. But I am going to start cooking bacon. Like I said in the car, I don't like my bacon to be like hot. I think it's gross. Ugh. but I can eat bacon like room temperature, so that's kind of better. Okay. Put the bacon on the pan and the oven is preheating right now. I look rough. I need to get ready, like put my face together, but okay, so while the bacon is cooking in the oven now for 20 minutes, I'm gonna try to get my editing or some of my editing done for my video, and then I will finish cooking breakfast, and then after we eat breakfast, I'm gonna get ready so like you guys can stop seeing all of this. And we're done. Okay, I'm gonna go wake up my boyfriend now, and then I'm gonna eat, and then I'll see y'all later. But that was fun. It's beautiful. Okay, bye. Hey, so I just got home from working out. It was a fun little workout. We just like kind of ran around. My legs are low-key kind of sore from just running around, but the weather's really nice. But anyways, I look kind of like a mess, but I'm about to shower and stuff. But I'm about to eat a Built Bar, which I'm gonna talk about for a little second. I'm not having lunch today. I had breakfast earlier, but I just worked out, so I feel like I need to eat something because it's important to eat after working out. So I'm gonna eat this Built Bar. It's a protein bar. It literally tastes like I'm eating a candy bar, but it's packed with all the proteins and nutrients that I need. They're gluten-free and low calories, so I mean, this one's in cookies and cream. I'm a huge fan of everything cookies and cream. If you're not into cookies and cream though, they literally have 18 different flavors that you can get in these bars. I always struggled with finding protein bars that I actually liked just because of the texture. I'm a texture freak, but Built Bar improved their texture to give a better experience with protein bars, so that's awesome. The flavor, the size, the texture, everything is very consistent in every single bar, so you have a great experience every single time. Literally the first time I had one of these, I was just shocked that this is a protein bar just because it tastes like a really unhealthy like granola bar or like candy bar. I don't know, but they're so good, and it literally tastes like I'm eating a chocolate bar when I'm not, and it's actually good for me. So they're perfect for when I work out and I just need something really quick. I can eat one of these like if I'm on the go, or if I'm just not having a meal quite yet and I need to eat after a workout because it's really important. I'll list all the flavors and their macros on the screen for you guys now, just so you can kind of see what they have and what they have to offer for you and what you do. Just eating one of these, and then I'll probably shower up and kind of relax, and then later in the day when I vlog, I'll be making dinner. You know, just a pretty simple day today, nothing crazy, but oh my gosh, so good. And the texture is not like, hold on, I don't want to chew in your guys' face, but it's literally like a candy bar. I don't know how to describe it, but it tastes so good. This is my favorite flavor. It's just cookies and cream. I love everything cookies and cream, and I'm loving these. But sorry, you guys can actually use my code OliviaMustard20 when buying Built Bar products, so definitely check it out. It'll be in my description box with the link to their website, and the code will be in the description box below along with on screen, but it's OliviaMustard20, really simple. Definitely go check it out if you like to work out, or if you know, work early, like you work a lot, don't have time for full meals. Definitely go check these out. They're really good for you. They're really tasty, and they're just the best, so definitely check it out. And there's 18 different flavors, and they're all so good. And if you're a texture freak like me, this is your protein bar, period. You need it. Okay. So yeah, sorry. I'm talking with my mouth open. Full, sorry. Ugh, can't talk. But, okay, I'm gonna eat this up, and then I'm gonna go shower, and I'll see you guys later. Today's been a pretty much, like, chill day. I had a breakfast this morning, and I vlogged that, I know. And then working out a little bit. But I haven't done very much. But kind of still been productive, I don't know. But yeah, definitely check out Built Bar, and yeah, I'll see you guys. I'm talking with my mouth full, sorry, but I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna shower. So I actually got ready and did my makeup and stuff and put myself sort of together. Not really, the outfit's not together, but we're about to maybe go to Ulta and like Target and stuff. But first we're going to the beach for the sunset, because I literally love the beach at sunset time. It's my favorite thing ever. So we're gonna do that. I'll film the sunset at the beach. I love it. Okay. Bye. Also, it's kind of cold outside. Hopefully I don't freeze, but maybe. Okay. I'll film my phone. Bye. A lot later now. We went to the beach and to Marshall's and Ulta. I got a few things, nothing too exciting. I'm cooking dinner. We're making the Gigi Hadid pasta again with chicken this time, and then some of this. Babe! Anyways.